Hello, today we will guide you through how to configure DNS over HTTPS with Cloudflare and Brave Browser. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to enable secure DNS inside the Brave browser and choose Cloudflare as your provider. This setting helps add privacy by encrypting your DNS lookups, which means the websites you request are resolved more securely while you browse. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer and wait for the main browser window to load fully. Once Brave is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the main menu icon, which appears as 3 lines. Click that icon to open the browser menu. When the menu appears, look through the available options and click on Settings. This will open the Brave settings page where you can manage privacy, security, and other browser preferences. On the left-hand side, or within the settings categories depending on your version of Brave, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls related to safer browsing and protection features. After opening Privacy and Security, continue by clicking on Security. This will take you to the specific area where Brave manages more advanced security options, including Secure DNS. Take a moment here to scroll if needed, since the setting may appear farther down the page depending on your screen size and browser version. Next, locate the option labeled Use Secure DNS and turn it on. Enabling this feature tells Brave to use encrypted DNS resolution instead of standard DNS whenever supported. This can help reduce exposure to third parties on the network and improve the privacy of your browsing activity. Once Use Secure DNS is enabled, you'll be able to choose a provider. Select the DNS option for 1.1.1 by Cloudflare. This is Cloudflare's secure DNS service and is commonly used for fast, privacy-focused DNS resolution. After selecting it, the settings should apply automatically, so there's usually no separate Save button required. At this point, the configuration is complete. Brave will now use DNS over HTTPS with Cloudflare based on the option you selected. If you want to confirm the change later, you can return to the same security section and check that Use Secure DNS is still enabled and that Cloudflare remains selected. That's all for this setup. Following these steps helps make your browsing configuration more secure while keeping the process simple and quick.